What's up? What's up? We're going to search for resort. Ayan. Yung mga kasama ko plano namin maghanap ng resort. So, for the meantime, we will check which one is a pocket-friendly resort. Yung kaya naman ng budget namin. Ayan. Shout out sa mga viewer. Good day, everyone. Ayan, medyo malubak yung daan dito kasi papunta kami ng gubat nga. Ayan. Resort found in the forest. Ayan. Look at here. Say hi. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Okay, Maria. Mataka pa yung pupuntahan namin, guys. Yan. Malayo-layo pa. Enjoy lang namin yung sightseeing. Ayan. Ayan, guys. As you can see, forested kami. Ayan, sa forest. Welcome to Barangay La Paz. Barangay La Paz. Puntahan namin, guys, yung 4G Resort. Kasi malakas din signal doon kasi 4G daw. Enjoy the view, guys. Ayan. Nasaan na? Dito na kami, guys. I-check lang namin. Guys, ito muna ang puntahan namin. 4G Adventure Spot. Dito lang yan sa Upper La Paz. Magtanong mo tayo kung magkano yung entrance. 30 ang entrance, guys. Senior. Senior citizen ko meron. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Reception muna tayo kasi kailangan ng visitors check. Tapos ayan, may temperature checking sila dito for the COVID. Ayan, COVID check to secure safety. Ayan, for safety purpose. Ayan, guys, hands disinfection. Ayan. Ayan, to maintain the cleanliness. Hugas-hugas din ng kamay. Ayan, guys, paakyat na kami. Ayan. For as low as 30 pesos, makapasok kayo dito sa loob. Ayan. So, pupuntahan namin yung mataas pa daw. Ayan. For as low as 30 pesos, guys. Ayan, sulit na kasi. Maganda yung kuan dito. Tanawin. Check natin. Ayan. Observe social distancing. Ayan, guys, pataas pa yan, oh. Ayan, entrance. 1 meter social distancing. Ayan. At least may safety guidelines, precautions sila dito, guys, kahit nasa gubat. Ayan. Ayan, guys, sa taas kami. Ayan. We're going up in the hills. Ayan. Dapat next time magsapatos ako. Ayan. Ayan, guys. This is it. Ayan guys. You are now entering stress-free zone. Ayan. Kaya. Ayan guys. Wow, taas kami guys. Oops, sorry. Ayan. Pasya tayo dito. Tingnan natin. Ulubutin natin. Ayan. I love 4G's Adventure Spot. Ayan. Pwede kayo mag-picture dito guys. Ganda, parang frame siya. Ayan. Mag-picture ka dyan lang. Say hi. Ito, frame. Ayan ang partner ko guys. Partner in my vlogs. Ayan. Say hi. Ayan. Ayan guys, kung gusto nyo dito pumunta, dito lang yan sa Upper La Paz. Ayan. May mga kuwan din dito guys. Ayan, yung mga camping site nila. And then, saan ba tayo pupunta? Ayan, may, ano? Saan ba daan? Ayan guys, may heart sign yung... Ganda yung pagkagawa nila dito. Sa mga nito na presko yung tanawin. Ayan guys. So kung sino yung mahilig mag-camping dyan, hiking, ayan, pwede ka pumunta dito. Dito lang yan. Sa Upper La Paz. Ayan, a place to heal. Ayan guys. 4G Adventure Spot. Please observe cleanliness. Ayan guys. So, sa 30 peso na entrance nyo, sulit na rin. Kasi, matatanggal yung stress nyo dito. Kaya stress reliever. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. Medyo napagod. Medyo napagod kami, nahingal. Kasi medyo malayo din ang nilakad namin. Hindi pala tinakbo ng service namin. Pero solid naman. Ayan guys. Ayan, napagod si Norhima. Ayan. Napagod siya, napagod. Hiningal daw siya, hiningal. Ayan. May mga hanging plants na dito. Ayan. Explore. Forest hike. Mountain. Let's check this area. Ayan guys. Welcome to this big heart shape. Ayan, medyo mataas na ako. Ayan guys. Ayan sila sa baba. Medyo mataas na to. Ayan. I'm afraid of height, guys. Ayan. Kaya baba muna tayo. Ayan, guys. Look at this. Okay. This is what we call kabkabon, guys. Sa amin yan. Kabkabon ang tawag dyan. May rabbits sila dito. Ang cute guys, oh, puti. I can see a white rabbit. Ayan. Ayan guys, so ang cute ng rabbit. Gumagalaw yung buhay, ayan. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. There's a rabbit. Ayan. Cute. Ayan guys. So, we'll go down here. Ayan. Dito, smoking area. Ayan. Smoking area. Okay. Hi, rabbit! Ayan guys. See, white rabbit. Hello! Hindi siya natatakot sa tao guys. Ayan o. Hello! Ayan. Ayan, ang cute ng rabbit guys. Ayan, ang cute ng rabbit guys oh. He's cute! Explore the nature tayo ulit. Ayan. May mga tent dito guys. May tindahan dito din. Ayan. Kung nagugutom kayo, may tindahan dito. Ayan guys, they do have Indian tent here. Ayan. Sino may mag... Ayan, outing, camping. You can do here. Ayan guys, oh. Heart shape made of Red Horse bottle. Ayan. Watch out these guys. Ayan, may monkey sila. Monkey! For safety, bawal lumapit. Ayan. Please keep distance. Ayan guys, oh, dalawa sila. Ayan guys, oh. Monkey! Ayan guys. Unggoy sa amin tawag. We call this unggoy in our Filipino terms. Ayan. So, going down there. Ayan. They do have different unique flower pots. Ayan, made of maung pans. As you can observe. Ayan. Okay, we go down here. Ayan. See? Na-observe nyo, may mga pantalon dyan, pero flower pot siya. Ayan. So, we have swing here. Duyan. Ayan. Please, come and join me in the swing. Ayan. If you want to remove your tension or stress, guys, this place is good for you. Ayan. So, I am playing around. I become child again. Swinging in my own self. Check natin ito ulit. Ayan. Pamangkin ko nagduduyan. Ayan. Careful! Ayan. Na-excite kasi siya. Ayan. Ayan guys. So, we have camping site here. Ayan. And they have another bird's nest. Ayan, oh. And they do have this one. Ayan. An egg. Itlog. Ayan. Check this. Who knows this flower? Ayan. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Ayan guys, oh. I don't know which kind of flower is this. Ayan. They do have some flower here. Ayan. Ang ganda nito guys. Look, beautiful and lovely flower. No picking of flowers. Ayan. Medyo malamig na guys. Ayan. They do have some tents here. Prepared tents. Ayan. Gusto nyo gustong mag-camping, pwede kayo dito. Ayan. They have some preferred, ayan, table and chair made of coconut trunks. Ayan. Pwede yan. Ayan. They have some campfire, bonfire site here. Ayan, meron sila dito. Ayan. Ayan guys. Maganda siya. Good for family, friends. Ayan, nag-advertise na ako. Good for family, friends. Dito kayo, barkada. Pwede kayo mag ayan, pwede kayo mag stay dito hanggang gabi. Ayan. So na-check na namin yung 4G. Ayan, going down. So guys, ayan. Guys, please visit 4G Adventure Spot, Upper La Paz, Zamboanga City. Dito lang yun. Ayan sila guys. Hello ate, shout out. Ayan guys. So sinong gustong mag-camping, hiking, this place is good for you. Ayan. Ito, this is the trail going down. Ayan. Ingat lang sa pagbaba. Ayan. You can see here. Ayan. Ayan guys, pababa na kami. Ayan, ingat-ingat sa pagbaba. Sana all. Ayan. This is the trailway going down. So, guys, ayan, hope you enjoy my vlog. Okay, exploring the nature of my place. Okay, ayan guys. Na kami, kasi pauwi na kami. Ayan. Look at this guys. Ayan. Away from the noise of technology and the inconvenience of neighbors, we need isolation like this. Ayan. Pababa na kami. Pauwi na. Yan si ate nagtatanim. Say shout out eh. Hello. Say hi. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan guys. Kuya, gracias ha. Say hi kuya. Ayan. Subscribe mo kuya, channel ko. Walid Juhaili po. Ito na. We're going to check one more resort or no? Okay guys, yan. Matapos pauwi na kami. Ayan, kung pauwi, medyo okay na yung daan kasi pababa na siya. Hindi siya pa-slopey pataas. So, bye guys. Till next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? See you next vlog guys.